Okay, this is my new set of blinds from Select Blinds. Just gonna unbox them here so you can see what they look like. I ordered the honeycomb cordless, color 139. They're just like a white color, and they package them really nicely. I'm going to take them out and I'm going to install them today. Okay, so you can see how I am put in this bracket. I thought I needed to put it at the front of the window, and then the blind actually comes in front of this thing a little bit. So I pushed the bracket toward the back of the windowsill here so you can see how I need to do that. So I have that hole right there, but yeah. So now I'm just putting in, you have to put 3 in, 3 brackets for 34 3/4 wide blinds. So, and I need to put 3 in this window, this door, patio door. So I'm just screwing these in with my drill and my screwdriver. It's hard to film and do this at the same time, so I'm going to put the phone down and continue getting these brackets in. And I got one in, and it looks beautiful. These are the double comb. They're not a very big cell. They don't even look like 1 inch. I think they're 1/2 inch or 3/4, but they're pretty. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, and here's the left blind of my 3-pane window or patio door, sliding door. The reason why I did the left and the right first is because I wanted to make sure I get the blinds all the way over to the corners so they're nice and snug, so that I have enough room in the middle for the middle blind to fit. So now I'm going to put the middle blind up and center it and get the holes drilled with the brackets, and I'll talk a little bit more at you when I'm done. Okay, now I am going to try to put in this blind into the bracket, and I'm going to show you how I have to tilt it to get it in there and angle it. It's a little tricky, especially to get all 3 brackets hooked onto the blind. Hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing here. So you have to get the front lip on the front of the bracket. I'm going to make sure I have the same amount on both sides, and I'm going to tilt. So see how it's tilted up toward an angle towards the ceiling, and I got it up high, and I'm going to press and push down toward the window and kind of swing it so it hooks onto the back lip. So here I go. And I think I got it because it's hanging down. So I didn't really hear a click so much, but I think it's in there by just how it's hanging. Okay, they do say to just kind of check this to make sure it's not sticking. All right, now I'm gonna pull it down. You press the button while you're pulling, no matter what direction you're going, whether you're going up or down, you gotta press that button down while you're moving it. Now I got that handle there, but I think it's gonna be okay. love it. And Select Blinds, I called them to help me measure to make sure all three would fit. And I also got the guaranteed fit. Now there is a little gap between them here, but I wanted to make sure that center one fit, so I'm okay with it. Otherwise you risk not being able to fit them. And I put the two side ones all the way to the side wall. So now I'm going to close all three. Yeah, having that little bit of space in between is excellent because you can see when you pull it down that you need that. Okay, now this one. Yay! And they're the right length, the right width. I think they look good. I'm pleased. And I installed them myself. It took me a while, but I'm kind of slow. But I think they turned out great. All right, so if I can install blinds myself, so can you. All right, hopefully this helped. Bye.